So, hello everyone. My name is Aldea A. Baluyot. Ang ating topic ngayon ay linear programming, special cases model, invisibility. So, ang ating problem ay, Glenn is the plant manager of Nissan Motor Company and he wants to determine the product mix that will result in maximum profit. He is able to determine the data necessary for him to make a decision. It will take 5 minutes to weld 1 unit of Severo and 8 minutes to weld 1 unit of Centra. And he has a total of 40 minutes available for the welding process per day. It will take 9 minutes to assemble 1 unit of Severo and 11 minutes to assemble 1 unit of Centra. And he has to use at least 99 minutes of the subcontracted assembly process per day. It will take 7 minutes to paint 1 unit of Severo and 6 minutes to paint 1 unit of Centra. And he has a total of 42 minutes available for the painting process per day. They will earn $200 for every unit of Severo produced and $150 for every unit of Centra produced. How many units of Severo and Centra should be produced per day to maximize profit? How much is the total profit? So, identify muna natin tong problem, no? May isang constraint na hindi tugma dun sa gusto ng dalawang process, which is yung ito, si assemble or si assembly. At least raw kasi. So, yung sign na gagamitin natin dyan is yung greater than or equal. So, dito sa dalawang process na welding process at sa painting process, ang gagamitin natin dyan is less than. So, ganito yung itsura ng table na gagawin natin, no? So, ito. Ayan. Ito yung table. So, ito yung process and product, welding, assemble, painting, Severo, Centra, except 1 yung Severo, at yung Centra, except 2. So, ito yung sign. May hindi magkaiba. May kakaibang no, demand sa kanya. So, itong assembly raw is pwede raw tumaas, no? Tumaas yung gawa or minutes ng pag-assemble kada kotse. Sa welding naman hanggang 40 minutes lang raw. Sa painting naman raw is 42. So, yung itong assemble, pwedeng hanggang 100 or up to 100. So, ang next natin gagawin ay solution. Isosolve natin. Ayan. Ito yung objective function. Nasa table siya ito. 200 tapos 150. So, yung ating maximization profit formula is 200 x sub 1 plus 150 x sub 2. Ang ating welding constraint ay 5x sub 1 plus 8x sub 2 less than or equal 40. Sa assemble constraint naman is 9x sub 1 plus 11x sub 2 greater than or equal 99. The painting constraint naman is 7x sub 1 plus 6x sub 2 less than or equal 42. So, may non-negativity constraint rin tayo, which is bawal tayo mag-negative na answer. Step 2, so welding constraint. So, ito yung equation niya, no? 5x1 plus 8x sub 2 less than or equal 40. So, katulad ng ginagawa natin sa maximization and sa minimization, we will use let x sub 1 and x sub 2 equal 0. So, ang ating equation is 5 times 0 is 0. So, 8x sub 2 equals 40. Divide both sides sa 8. So, 40 divided by 8 is 5. So, ang ating x sub 2 is 0. 0, 5. Sa let x sub 2 naman is cancel na natin tong 8 times 0. Divide natin siya sa 5. So, 40 divided by 5 is 8. So, ang ating x sub 1 is 8, 0. So, ang ating assembly constraint, no? Ito ang ating equation. 9x sub 1 plus 11x sub 2 greater than or equal 99. So, cancel. Divide both sides sa 11. Matitira x sub 2. 99 divided by 11 is 9. So, ang ating x sub 2 is 0, 9. Let x sub 2 equal 0 naman is cancel to. Divide both sides sa 900. So, 11 pa rin. So, ang ating x sub 1 is 11, 0. So, ang ating painting constraint is 7x sub 1 plus 6x sub 2 less than or equal 42. So, let x sub 1 equal 0. Cancel this. Divide both sides 6. So, 42 divided by 6 is 7. So, ang ating x sub 2 is 0, 7. Sa let x sub 2 naman is cancel this and divide both sides to 7. 42 divided by 7, 6. So, ang ating x sub 1 is 6, 0. So, punta tayo sa graph. So, kunin natin yung coordinate ng bawat process. So, ang ating process sa welding is coordinate ay 0, 5 at 8, 0. Para naman sa assembly, ang ating coordinate ay 0, 9, 11, 0. At sa painting naman is 0, 7, 6, 0. Yan. Madali na lang natin siya i-drawing since meron naman na tayong guide. So, ang ating x sub 2 dito ay ito. At ito naman ang ating x sub 1. So, drawing na tayo na graph na. So, ito yung 0. Vitus natin. Gawin natin vitus. And gamit tayo ng ibang color. So, para sa welding is 0.5 raw yung x sub 2. So, nandito yung x sub 2 natin. At ito naman yung x sub 1. So, yung x sub 2 raw is 0.5. Nandito siya. At yung x sub 1 raw is 8. So, ipag-connect natin silang dalawa. Yan. Ito naman yung para sa welding. Sa assembly or sa assemble naman is 09 na raw. Nandito siya. At 11. 0. Okay. Ipag-connect natin silang dalawa. So, ito yung assembly. May painting pa tayo. So, 07 raw. At 60. Pag-connectin ulit natin. Ayan. So, yung sa welding, yung shaded area niya is, saan siya naka-shade? Palabas or paloob. Sa problem natin, sabi niya, yung sign natin doon is less than, no? So, paloob siya. Kasi, nahanap natin yung maximize, no? Welding. So, dito siya. Ditong area. Sa painting naman, less than rin siya, no? Less than. So, paloob rin siya. So, yung dalawang constraint, magkasundo. Pero yung isang constraint dito, which is yung assembly, sabi kasi sa problem is at least raw. So, yung sign doon is greater than. So, yung ang visible region niya is palabas. So, may corner point ba sila? Sa napanood kong topic ni Sir is wala. Wala silang corner point since sabi doon sa kailangan raw para raw magkaroon ng corner point, magka-connect silang tatlong constraint or magkasundo sila sa decision. Eh may isang hindi parang iba yung other decision niya. So, ang tawag dito sa topic na to is special case invisibility. Yan. Para maging visibility siya, dapat raw yung shaded area lies to each other raw yun. So, may hindi nga raw siyang, may isang greater than, so yung dalawa magkasundo pero yung isa hindi. So, ang mangyayari, wala tayong point na kukumputin since wala tayong corner point. So, ito lang yung pwede natin gawin dito sa special case na ito, which is yung invisibility. Yan lang. Thank you.